If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to use hot corners with modifier keys. Using hot corners is very handy, but you can easily trigger them accidentally, and that can be very annoying. So to solve this problem, you can use modifier keys, such as the Option key, the Shift key, etc. To do this, simply go to System Settings. At System Settings, go to Desktop and Dock. At Desktop and Dock, go to the bottom and click on Hot Corners. At Hot Corners, you can choose how to set up each corner with or without a combination of another key. I will use the Control key in combination with a hot corner, so I can avoid any accidental triggers. Hold down a modifier key while you choose a function for your hot corner. You will have the ability to use in the future the combination of the modifier key and the chosen corner to get the selected result. It's that simple. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.